Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to Microsoft Entra ID series for beginners. In the previous video, we learned how to create user in Microsoft Entra ID. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to manage a user in Microsoft Entra ID. Are you ready? So let's get started. First of all, you should open your browser and log in into Microsoft Entra ID by using entra.microsoft.com. Okay. This is the Microsoft Entra ID Admin Center. So in the previous video, we created a user which is David John. Okay. In this video, I will show you how to manage this user. So first click on the user, and here we have different option. As you can see, monitoring, properties. As you can see, the properties is here. If you want to manage, click on edit properties. From here, I'm going to add job information, contact information. Let's do the company name, for example, Antic. Department IT, employee ID is 100. And so employee date you can choose, for example, today, office location, Zurich, and click save. And now let's see if the changes has been updated or not. Okay, overview, more properties. As you can see, the job description, as you can see, I have managed this information, which is Antic, IT, department, and office location. If I want to add contact information, click on contact information. You can type the street, for example, Zurich Street. It is just an example. Province. You can type zip code. You can type the country, a business phone number, mobile phone number, for example, email, and click on save. As you can see, successfully updated user. Yeah. If you want to assign roles on this user, click on assign roles. At the moment, there is no role has been assigned to this user. If you want to assign roles, click on add assignment. For example, I am going to apply these roles to this user. Click add. So let's refresh it. It takes sometimes to apply these rules. Let's refresh. As you can see, now I can see AI administrator's rule to this user. If you want to remove the rules, you can check and remove select assignment. That's how you can add assignment rules. And also you can also click on groups. If you want to add this user to a group, click add membership. At the moment, I don't have any group. If I have a group, which it will be listed here, and you can select the group and add this user to the group. And you can add application for this user. You can add licenses. You can add devices to this user. Yeah, that's how you can manage a user account in Entra Admin Center. That's it, guys. If you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And see you in the next video.